Hi, my name is Syed Funmir, and today I am going to present a project on movie booking system. My project is analogous to a real-time app, which is Book My Show. I'm pretty sure you guys might be familiar with that app. I have developed this project under the guidance of Mr. Mohit Chauhan, sir. Let's start with the use case diagram. Basically, in my software, there are three actors: customer, admin, and the database. The customer can see the availability of seats, and here the data is retrieved from the database. And the customer, when he buys a ticket, his details are stored in the database. The admin keeps track of all the tickets, like how many seats are vacant and how many seats are booked, how many seats are reserved. All the information about the seats are maintained by the admin actor. The admin can also see the details of a customer with respect to a seat number. I'll explain you that in my software, okay? And the admin also maintains the statistical data, like how many seats are purchased, how many seats are vacant, how many seats are reserved, and the current income and the total income expected and the percentage of tickets sold. Such kind of statistical data is maintained by the admin. So we'll move on to the ER diagram. In the ER diagram, for the customer entity, there are five attributes associated: customer ID, name, gender, age, phone number. The customer ID here is the primary key, and the name, gender, age, phone number are associated with the customer entity. The customer books a ticket, and the ticket entity has two attributes, like ticket price. It is either $8 or $10 depending upon this attribute, ticket type, whether the ticket type is a whether it is a premium ticket or an ordinary ticket. The customer checks the availability of seats, whether the seat is booked or it's a vacant seat. And the admin can see the details of a customer with respect to a seat number. And the admin also keeps track of all the seats. He keeps information about all the seats, like how many seats are vacant, how many seats are reserved. He maintains the information about all the seats. And the admin maintains statistical information of the cinema too, like number of purchased tickets and the percentage of tickets sold and the current income and the total income expected. He maintains information. He maintains all such kind of statistical information. So guys, we'll move on to my software. This is the main.py file which will run all the time. And in the cinema.py file, I have defined a class called cinema, and I've imported the respective modules and database connectivity, and I have defined four functions. These are called from this main.py file. So I'll explain you step by step. As soon as I start executing the program, he will ask me number of rows. For a basic example, I will enter 3, and and after that he will ask me number of seats in each row. I'll enter 4 for now, and when I type 1, he will show all the seats. And when I type 2, he will we can buy a ticket. And when I type 3, he will show all the statistical information about the cinema. And the 4 is used for checking the user information with respect to a seat number. So now I'll type 1. So here B indicates that the ticket is booked, and the S indicates that the ticket is and the seat is vacant. Okay. So let's buy a ticket. I'll type 2. He will ask me a row. So this is the first row. From the first row, we will book the last ticket. Okay, last seat number 1 and the column number 4. Okay, I'll type 1 and 4. As soon as I type this information, he will give me the ticket price, and the ticket price is 10. Yes, I wanna buy the ticket. I'll enter the name, Sammy, name 33, and his phone number. Yeah, booked successfully is printed. So for cross verification, we'll see the number of seats. Have a look here. The first row and the fourth column seat is booked. Okay. And when I type 3, he will display the statistical information like number of tickets purchased. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 tickets are booked. So the number of tickets purchased are 4. This is the percentage of tickets booked, and this is the current income, and this is the total income expected. And the fourth option, and using fourth option, when we type the seat number, he will display the details about the user who have booked that seat. Okay, for third row and the first column, we'll see the details like who have booked that seat, and the details are here. Ramsey, male, and these are the details about the customer who have booked the third row and the first column ticket. This one. Okay, so now we'll do a big big example. I'll type 9 rows and 8 columns. And I type this here 1, will display all the information. So for this first 4 rows, first half section, the price tag is $10, and for the next half section, the price tag is $8. So let's try for this first half section. I want to buy a ticket of third row and second column. Row 3, second column, and the price tag is 10 for the first half of section. I'll type yes, I want to buy. The name is Amy. And a phone number. Booked successfully is printed. You can even see that. Have a look here. This is also booked. When I see the statistical information, and the number of tickets purchased are 7, and this is the current income, and this is the total income expected. And when I want to see the details of a customer who have booked a respective seat, like I want to know the detail of the customer who have booked row 2 and column 1 ticket. So simply here I will type 2 and 1, and the details of that customer are in front of you. Okay. These are all the functions which I have defined to achieve this movie booking system, and these are the MySQL database commands. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.